What's up everyone, it's Mickey. What's up everyone, it's Mickey with an X and welcome back to my channel. Today, look at me. Oh my god. So today we are doing soft glam. I don't know what I would call it. The title of this video will say something about it, I guess. First I was like, I'm gonna do a soft makeup look for you guys. And then it ended up looking like this. It's only because of the lips. Like, the eyes are like quite soft and like cute, but the lips make it look very sultry. The entire makeup look is basically done with this palette.
Hey, you lie, you never lied so damn much.
So if you want to look gorgeous, stunning, and fabulous with very little makeup product, you're in the right place. You can wear this to anywhere. I was gonna go with this like everyday makeup look, but this is a lot of work for everyday makeup look. If you like a challenge, girl, you're gonna look fabulous every day, so do it. So this is basically Korean glam, but for me, this is like very, very, very soft glam. While you're here, why not subscribe to my channel? You know, like and comment something about this video. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to create this makeup look, please keep on watching. Hi. For primer, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. For foundation, I'll be mixing Essence Fresh and Fit foundation in the shade Fresh Honey and Maybelline Fit Me foundation True Beige. The foundation matched me almost perfectly. Why is my chest red? Let's draw on some eyebrows. Since I'll be doing a natural makeup look, I'm not going to use an eyebrow pencil. Let me put on some contacts. I'll be right back. For eyebrows, you can use any eyeshadow, but I'm using this one. So I'm just gonna use this color on my eyebrows. It's been 2 months that I did a natural looking makeup look. I'm not trying to create a shape, just filling in the spots, the ball spots. I don't have an eyebrow mascara, but I recommend using one so that it doesn't look this bad. Yeah, I'll probably only be using this palette from Psy Cosmetics, a gold dust version. Makeup tip time. If your foundation or your concealer is creasing and blending with your brush doesn't work anymore, use a wet sponge. Since the sponge is still wet and has some water elements in it, it will help blend the foundation or the concealer that you're trying to blend easier. Now use pressed powder, that's your skin tone. Press it on your eyelid so that it doesn't crease anymore. So this is a base layer that will help blend the eyeshadow later on. Now moving on to the actual eyeshadow. I'll be using a fluffy brush and I'll go into this color called Romance. We'll start off by working from the outside of the eye towards the inner part. Work in circular motions. I only use like a tiny bit of eyeshadow, and this is only one color, and you can see the difference. It creates like depth. I put down the color at the inner corner first, and without taking more powder from the palette, I am blending them out in a circular motion. Pat down the color first at the outer corner, very close to your eyes, and then after that, you're gonna use circular motions without going back in the eyeshadow. You're gonna blend it out with the same brush. If you wanna use a different brush, I recommend that you use a different brush, but this technique works for me, so I'm gonna do this. If you think you need more products, go ahead and take some. Tap up the axis and then continue. Now for the second step, we're gonna change brushes. We're gonna use Crease Brush. I call it a crease brush. It's basically a fluffy pencil brush because we're going a little more precise around here. We don't wanna use this brush here because the color is gonna be everywhere. Using the same color, we're still using the same color. See, take a little bit of product, tap up the axis, and we're gonna go in. Makeup tip time. I actually want you to acknowledge this moment right here. I have a big mirror below me so that I can do this and do makeup. You're going to hold your mirror below your face, so around here, and you're gonna look down, chin up. That way you can see how the colors are performing as well as how much you should put on. It creates more space for you to experience with instead of doing this. So if I were to do makeup like this, the colors will reach about here, and if you look down, that's really far away. That's not what we want here. So look down, chin up, do your makeup. This is one of the very few things that influencers don't normally talk about, but it's one of the most useful technique when it comes to makeup. Okay, let's continue. What we want is the most product at the outer corner, the least product at the inner corner, so that it looks very elegant and flattering and blended out. So using the small brush, we're gonna start from here and we're gonna go in. Blend slowly into the crease. Now I'm going to go into this color called Unique, which is a very brick tone brown. I'm gonna take like a tiniest bit because I know this is really pigmented. Tap up the axis. We're focusing this color only at the corner of our eye. If you think this was a little too intense, you can go back to our first brush and you can blend it out without using any product. We're just using the brush as it is. You may notice that I left the center of my eyes free of makeup product because I want to. But no, I knew that I'm gonna put on shimmer in the center, so that's why I left it free of space so that the shimmer can shine by itself without any other product interfering with that. We're gonna go into the Shimmer Shades. I like this one a lot. So I'm gonna go in this one. I'm using this shade called Love. I'm putting that in the center of my eyelid. That looks so cute. On camera, the eyeshadow isn't reflecting as much as it is in person. Just for camera and footage purpose, I'm going to use a different shimmer. Osun from Juvia's Place palette. Now, we're ready for our bottom eyelid. For the bottom eyelid, I recommend that you use a pointed brush like this. This is called a pencil brush. For the bottom eyelid, just like the top eyelid, we're using these 3 shades. So let's start with this one. We're only putting the matte eyeshadow 1/3 of our eye. Now we're going into this brick tone color. Go as close as you can to the waterline because it's a very intense color. We don't want to spread it everywhere. Makeup tip time. When you put too much eyeshadow color like I did, you can use face powder. Put it on top of the place where you put too much eyeshadow. See? That makes it look softer now. I'm gonna use this shimmer color and we're gonna put it in the center of our bottom eyelid. So basically right under our pupil. Now I'm going to use this color to draw on eyeliner. Drawing eyeliner with eyeshadow is the easiest task ever. This is the angle that I want my eyeliner to go. So I'm going to angle my brush that way and then just press it. Do you see that? And then we're gonna connect that. Draw a straight line to your eyelid. And we're gonna fill that in with this eyeshadow. You can extend it as far as you like. So I'm gonna extend this side just a little bit. Now this is your choice. I want to make this eyeliner a little darker, so I'm going to use eyeliner. But if you like your eyeliner to look brown, you can use brown gel eyeliner. Since you already have your base down, you can layer it on top. So I'm going to use Wet n Wild Pro Line Felt Tip Eyeliner. If you want to learn the trick on drawing the perfect eyeliner, I'll link the card up on the screen, so don't forget to go check that out if you want to learn that. Yeah. This is what I ended up with, and they're even, so I think I'm gonna move on. Now we're gonna curl eyelashes and put on mascara. Like I always say, you can end your eye makeup look here, but I like the idea of having false lashes on, so I'm going to put on false lashes. So for today, I'm using false lashes from Super Red Cosmetics in the style Omadeni. If you want to watch an in-depth video on how to put on false lashes, I'll link the video up here. Don't I just look expensive just putting on false lashes? Okay, now we are going to do our lips, blush. Let's do blush. Okay. For blush, I'll be using Nature Republic single eyeshadow, the shade 5. It's a very orange color. She wants to say hi to everyone. Come here. Hi, Shio. Okay, you can go now. Now I'm going to put on highlighter. Going back into this side palette in this color. Oh, I love this shade. On the brow bone. So my phone storage ran out. The footage of me putting on lipstick is gone. My intro is gone, my outro is gone, so I'm gonna redo them. As you can see, I already put on my lipstick. I used MAC in the shade Diva. I feel like I could cut a bitch. Actually, I want to cut a bitch. I hope you learned something out of this tutorial because this is one of my most in-depth videos that I've ever filmed, together with my false eyelash tutorial and my eyeliner tutorial. So yeah, I'll link them down below so you can go watch them. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, concerns, you can comment them down below. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to watch my previous video, the video will be up here. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys later. Bye!